Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna share a Kadai chicken recipe which is really very easy to make. You would not have made Kadai chicken easier than this. Another best part of this recipe is we are not using any onion. This is a recipe from my sister. She always used to make and we all really love it. So let's quickly see the recipe. First, to make a masala mix, I took 1 green chilli, 3 to 4 garlic, a piece of ginger, 2 cloves, half teaspoon black pepper, a small piece of cinnamon. Just crush it. You don't need to make it a smooth paste. If you want, you can use mortar and pestle to crush them. Then I roughly chopped 2 medium tomatoes as well. I took half kg chicken here. Then I added our masala mixture to chicken. Then I added 2 teaspoons chili powder and salt as per the taste. Goes in our chopped tomatoes as well. Then I mixed everything really well using my hand. Then I kept them aside for an hour. If you are in a hurry, you can directly cook them. But it is always better to marinate it for some time. See, our chicken is marinated well now. Heat a kadai and pour some oil. Then add our chicken along with the marinade. You don't need to add single drop of water now. Moisture from chicken and tomato will be enough to cook the chicken. And also we marinated the chicken so it will cook very easily. Then cook them on a medium to low heat by closing the lid. I did not add any water, but you can see a lot of moisture in this now. Don't forget to stir in between. Our chicken is cooked well and it has become thick gravy. At the end, I finished them with very little garam masala just for a flavor. Please don't overdo it. Our delicious Kadai chicken is ready. This time we enjoyed our Kadai chicken with our narapateri. But you can enjoy them along with your rice, roti, patiri. Hope you're gonna give it a try. Let us know the feedback. Thank you so much for watching. See you very soon in the next video.